Bismillah walhamdulillah assalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Respected teachers and my dear Muta'allim friends, first I would like to share about forgiveness, lesson of Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam life. قال الله تعالى في القرآن المجيد لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة. The Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born into a society filled with injustice, ignorance and division, yet through his character, patience and faith, he transformed that society into one based on justice, mercy and composition is life. The first lesson we learn is honesty and trustworthiness. Even before Prophet and the Prophet was known as Al-Amin, the trustworthy one. People trusted him with their wealth, secrets and disputes. This teaches us that integrity is the foundation of a strong character. In our daily lives, whether at schoolwork or home, we should strive to be honest even when it is difficult. The second lesson is patience in hardship. The Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam faced our opposition, insults and persecution. He was mocked, attacked and even forced to leave his beloved city of Mecca. Yet he never responded with hatred or even instead he showed patience and relied on Allah. This teaches us that difficult but other patience in our daily lives. The third lesson is mercy and forgiveness. One of the most powerful moments in his life was the conquest of Mecca. Yet he never, after years of suffering at the hands of his enemies, he had the power to punish them. Instead, he forgiveness them, saying no blame will there be upon you today. This shows us that true strength lies in forgiveness, not revenge. The Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam treated everyone with respect, rich or poor, young or old, Muslim or non-Muslim. He was gentle with children. Respectful to women and caring toward the needy. He taught that the best among us are those who are best in character. The Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam also taught the importance of justice and equality. He declared that no Arab is superior to a non-Arab, and no one person is superior to a black person except in justice. This message is relevant today, reminding us to stand against racism, injustice and discrimination. Finally, we learn the lesson of humility, despite being the leader of a nation. The Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he helped with household chores among us are that sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a complete the life of Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My help us to following his teaching in our daily lives. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പ്രസംഗ മത്സരം തുടരുന്നു. Next call letter D.